Good morning.
Good morning. We have Rudy here.
Yes, we do, and Kitty.
We're going to go somewhere, and we
Talk
don't
with
know yet.
Okay, we're starting the day off with yard sales. We just went to one that had good stuff, but not what we needed. We're looking for Raphael still, his for real
say
friends.
That's always the case?
It is always the case.
Oh, I'll say not always good stuff. Definitely not
Oh,
always.
not always good stuff at all. You know, like most of the places that we go, they don't have good stuff at all. You get doggies, and Raphael gets kitties. And he actually asked for those. Okay.
Guess where we're going?
We're here to the park.
We're here to the park.
Ooh, there's even a doggy there, Abigail.
Aw, cute little dog.
We have a dog named Rudy, way bigger than that one.
This is all I can handle. I have two of them this size, and this is the nice one.
Big boys.
No, it's for big girls. Get over there, Abigail.
I need to go on a slide.
The star leaf. And you know what I can do? This. Hold it and watch me, because I'm going to do it right now.
I believe you. Wow. It's twisty.
Yeah, it is.
Gonna go through there?
Yeah.
To blue bird.
It's a blue bird feather.
Yeah.
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
Found it, didn't you?
This, Raphael.
Meanwhile, on a quest to find a park with shade.
This is what a cat thinks of the drone. Have you ever seen a cat
Looking at the
looking at a drone?
Looking at the cat.
Nothing to see here, just a house moving.
What is my life? I've lived here all my life and I've never seen this. We're in the historic neighborhood, historic district. See that old house? Beautiful. You want to get that kitty?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's their kitty.
What kind of bird is that, Abigail?
Black one.
What is it?
It's probably a goose, the white one, and
Oh, yeah?
a hawk, the black one.
Okay. Well, those are
Actually, a duck is
ducks.
the black one, and there's a goose for the white one.
And those are like egrets or something. The white ones.
You live here?
Yeah.
Ducks going?
Yeah, that's a duck house. Well, it's kind of a little dirty and smells like fish, but
Let's go
yeah.
around and see what else you
Yeah,
have.
they're all here.
They're on the trees too.
Yeah. Nice. They look like,
So not Israeli.
yeah, it's just a duck. Oh. Oh, birds. Oh,
Oh, a big one.
yeah, cool. It's nice and cool under the shade here.
Oh, cute. Their dad. That's their dad. What?
That's their dad? Yeah, it's a mommy and a dad. Oh my God, what was that?
What?
You didn't hear that?
Wow, you didn't see that?
That was a pond.
That shot out like a rocket.
It's alive. It moved its beak. It's moving.
It's definitely alive. Hi. Hello. Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Yeah. Wow, you're so beautiful. Yes, it can fly, and its wings are like, I don't know, 8 feet across. Wow, look at its hands.
It doesn't even have hands.
Take a look at that dog. We'll be coming for you.
Its hands are actually feet.
Why am I spitting in my wife sitting here?
Are you seriously asking that right now?
Yeah.
Because we needed to get gas. Am I right? What are you doing, Raphael?
Let's call this gas station Chihuahua, because it's China Lee mixed up with Wawa.
My kids are crazy. We're at the Wawa station and I'm zoomed in, so bye. Yeah, we went to an off-road place just to see what it was gonna be like. We're at China Lee right now. This is where we met our first subscriber in America.
Because why not? Part about the meal, it's gotta be the fortune cookies.
What is that wiggling? That shell in the shell?
It's an anemone.
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 Does it have an eye?
Oh no, it doesn't have eyes.
And a face. And a nose.
Yeah, Nemo, he can be okay on an anemone. Anemone.
Anemone.
Good job, Abigail. Pretty.
Is this the opening?
Uh-huh.
Octopus squat.
Oh, this is a animal right here too. Looks like a rock, but it's not. Don't know what that is.
Oh, his walk.
This thing is literally eating gravel and then filtering it out of its holes on the side of its body. Oh my god, what a crazy fish.
What a crazy
That is a crazy fish. I love it.
Is it moving?
Yeah.
Jump.
I love it too. It's cute.
Can
Is it gonna go
we
swimming?
leave it at a house?
We gonna go swimming.
Hey girl.
It's probably dirty. Yeah, look.
He has not one, just like me.
That's a town bird.
What are you trying to say?
Yeah, boo-boo.
Our kids' favorite thing to do is play in Burger King, and we don't go there to eat. We just sit and play and maybe order a coffee or something like that. We love it. Raphael especially loves it. That's right. Yeah. So, let's see how much fun they can have.
Oh. Going up and then down the slide. We gotta go rolling. Abigail's so scaredy girl. Oh. My foot! Ouch! 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 Wee! Me? Not with this GoPro in my hand. I only have one hand. Let's go, GoPro. Whee!
So, Raphael starts school this week. I am going to go to Dollar General because it is the weekend before school starts, and on Saturdays, if you have your phone, which I don't, I'll have to go back inside, you get $5 off $25. Well, I need to get toilet paper, detergent, and they have coupons for that as well on the Dollar General app. Just found so much cheap stuff. Anyway, $5 off $25, and we're gonna get a bunch of Gain stuff, and they have it really cheap now. It's like half off because they have in-store coupon. We need instant coffee, you know, the granules. We've just really gotten used to that in Israel, and you can make it as strong as you want. And we do. We make it really strong. We don't drink like American coffee because it's watery. I mean, no offense, but it's a lot different than coffee in Israel, and it's really good. But you can like whatever you want.
Hey guys, wanted to share something with you.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share.
I had a dream.
Have fun. Want it?
I'm not
I love those shoes. They're all playing blocks.